Hello guys. Alright, today we're going to make what's known as a pack bait. It's a particle bait and it's got a few more steps and ingredients than the other bait, the dough ball bait. What you're gonna be using is some shelled corn. I did it separately so you could see the ratio to the other, because corn is a product that you use in a particle bait like this that can really fill up a fish. Okay, and it'll fill them up and they'll leave, and they'll go and digest whatever it is they do. And not only that, if you use too much corn, you can mess up the fishing, for days to come. So you got to be aware of that. We also have some chopped whole peanuts. We're going to be using this in the pack bait as well as the hook bait. We've got some warm, almost hot corn juice here. This is concentrated from, not corn juice, but seed juice. It's concentrated from making the boiled seeds. We have some Cottonseed Meal. This is a product that's going to help bind the pack bait when we use it. We've got some regular light corn syrup, just the old cheap stuff, and we have Blackstrap Molasses. You see that? Yeah. This stuff smells really good. We have our seed mush, the what we made with the dough ball, and we have a nice sized tub of our particle bait. The reason we're using so much of this is because this will disperse over the area that we're going to bait, and we're going to put over half of this bait we make, we're going to put out in the morning when we go. We're going to just disperse it out there. We're going to spalm it. I'll show you how to do that, and I always call it bait in the hole. Let's go ahead and get started. So what we first what we want to do is I want to put on these dish gloves. Just makes my life easier. And we've got a 5-gallon bucket here, and we're going to just we're going to throw all of this in. Okay, and the same's going to go for the seed mash. Alright, now as you can see, we've got a good ratio here, and okay, now we're going to add some corn. Smells pretty good already, actually. Okay, that's not bad. We're going to keep mixing it as we go. We just want to disperse the concentrate and everything in there. Okay, all right, so hey, matched my shirt almost. Okay, so what we got here is some corn, like I say, the seed juice, just from making those seed this morning. That's what's left over, and it's a little warm, and I warm it up so it'll loosen this Karo syrup, light corn syrup, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more because we've got quite a bit of seed there. Did I measure it? No. The corn syrup is just, it's more flavoring. Okay, it's for the smell. Now this is what's going to help make your bait smell. If you could smell this stuff smells terrific. Boy, look at that. Okay, so this was a, what is this, quart jar? Yeah, 1 quart. And I bet I've used 3/4 of it. But this stuff's pretty cheap. I mean, you can find it various places, but it's pretty cheap. Okay, boy, look at that. Nice color. See, and the reason I can make this bait before I get to the lake is because I've fished this lake before. Have I fished it with this bait? No. But this is a good bait. And you have the added bonus of baiting the hole. And you bait a hole not for a day session, not really, because it's going to take a little while to draw the fish in. All right, so we'll dump this in here. Okay. Did I measure it? No. Did I put my cottonseed meal in? No. Will I put my cottonseed meal in? Yes. I have a little meal here. We'll go ahead and dump this in. But I don't like the looks of that already, so we're going to throw in a little more. Okay. And people say, oh yeah, mix your dry ingredients first and then your wet. Do it ever how you want to do it. We're not baking a cake here, we're making carp bait. We're going to let this set up. We're not going till, shoot, 15 hours from now, about 3 o'clock in the morning, we're going to be leaving. And so, you see that when that goes in the spom and hits the water, it's just going to break. It's just going to disperse and be everywhere on the bottom. Alright, he's teeny weeny, but he bit the bait. That's one good thing. Well, that looks pretty bad over there. We caught one. I guess we're gonna wrap it up. Lord.